Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's your boy Martin G, aka Netpreneur, and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be revealing to you how you can earn extra money in your spare time just by watching videos online. Just so you know, watching videos online is one of the easiest way to make extra money, as it does not require any experience, and you can even let those videos run on the background while you do something else. So before we proceed, I need you to do something for me. If this is the first time that you're watching any of my videos or checking out my channel or any of my contents, kindly hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos and update existing content. This is going to help you be the first online to be notified whenever there's something new on my channel. And remember, I always give out free stuff to my subscribers too. To ensure you don't miss out, kindly do the needful, show some love, hit the subscribe button, and tap the bell notification icon. So if you've done this, let's go down straight to the business of the day. And like I said, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn some additional income online just by watching videos. Okay, before we proceed, I'll need to drop this disclaimer here. Now, the money or whatever you earn from performing this simple task online won't buy you a Lamborghini, but it's enough to give you that special treat, perhaps buy you a new phone or the latest PlayStation 5. So just want to let you know what you're about to get into, so you don't have to raise your expectations too high. But if you're somebody like, if you're a stay-at-home mom or you're a student looking for some additional source of income or to earn extra money online, then this is for you. All right, guys, let's just get straight down to the business of the day. So let's just proceed and see how it goes. So I'll be showing you 10 sites that you can actually earn money by watching videos online from. The first of this site is known as Swagbucks. So Swagbucks is the most popular reward site that pays you to watch video ads online. Signing up for Swagbucks is simple, and you can sign up using your Google account or your Facebook, or you can sign up directly with an email address and password. The sign up process is simple, and once you've signed up, you can explore what the Swagbucks platform looks like. And as you can see, Swagbucks has over 26,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and this makes it the #1 micro tax or reward site right now. And in addition to ads, Swagbucks also pays you to play video games online, search the webs, and shop online at more than 1,500 retailers. And as you can see, Swagbucks has paid out $713 million so far. That's a whopping sum. This shows you that Swagbucks is legit. And Swagbucks pays you you can swag. The way Swagbucks rewards is that you earn SG points, SB points, also known as Swagbuck points, and you can convert these Swagbuck points to gift cards or exchange your points for cash using paper. The minimum payout threshold for Swagbucks is $3, and you can sign up and also promote Swagbucks as an affiliate. Yeah, you can also earn money just by referring people to Swagbucks. So there'll be a link to sign up for Swagbucks in the description, and if you use my link, you'll be getting a lot of bonuses. So moving on to the next site. The next site on our list is known as Inbox Dollars. Yeah, so Inbox Dollars is a market research panel that offers a quick and easy way to earn money online just by watching video ads. And Inbox Dollars features video and TV contents, and you can watch them on your computer or smartphone. These videos are updated every day, and you can even watch up to 30 videos in a single day. Now, the ads available covers various categories, including news, celebrity, gossip, entertainment, food, technology, and health. And one good thing about Inbox Dollars is that you get a $5 sign-up bonus. So as soon as you sign up for Inbox Dollars, you're given a free $5 bonus. Yeah, so, and as you can see, Inbox Dollars also, it pays you for other things like taking paid online surveys, get rewarded for playing games, you could get coupon cash rewards, you could get paid to read emails, and you can get cash back for online shopping. Yeah, so that's how special and they've paid over $80 million in cash rewards so far. So after Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars is one of the best reward sites, and they have over 30,000 reviews on Trustpilot. So that's how, and like I said, Inbox Dollars pays you by cash, by check, or by PayPal, or you can redeem your Inbox Dollars point for gift cards like Amazon and Walmart gift cards, and the payouts are processed every Wednesday. But however, the minimum payout for Inbox Dollars is $30. So you need to make up to $30 before you could request for payout to get your rewards. Okay, and don't forget, Inbox Dollars offers you $5 sign up bonus if you sign up today. So what you waiting for? I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to sign up for Inbox Dollars, and if you use my link, remember there's something extra for you. So the third site on the list is MyPoints. Okay, so MyPoints is similar to Inbox Dollars and Swagbucks, and you earn, and the company has been around since 1996. Okay, and I think it's been operated by the same company that runs Swagbucks, so that means it's the same business model. So apart from being paid to watch videos online, members of MyPoints can also earn when they complete surveys, take pools, play games, read emails, search the web, and refer friends. So to earn the allocated points, you must watch an entire playlist of videos, and you get paid by points, and you can redeem your points for gift cards or PayPal cash. So the minimum payout threshold starts at $5 for MyPoints, which is equivalent to 700 points. And so once you've been able to accumulate up to 700 points, you can request for withdrawal from MyPoints. So you can redeem your points for gift cards and more, like I said, and you can also earn from MyPoints by referring people to join the platform. Yeah, so there's a link in the description to sign up for MyPoints, and you can check it out in the description section of this video. So the next site is Nielsen Computer and Mobile. So actually, Nielsen pays you up to $50 per year when you install the computer and mobile panel app. You could install the app on your computer or on your mobile phone, and after installing the app, it pays you to use the internet like you normally do, like you watch videos, you browse, and a lot of stuff. So you get paid by giving a point for gift cards, and the minimum payout threshold for Nielsen is $5. But however, there's a little blip to this. I think Nielsen is only open to people in the USA. So if you're not from the US, I'm sorry, Nielsen Computing Mobile Panel isn't for you. But don't get discouraged if you're from Nigeria or other African countries or third countries. There are other options. So moving on to the next site that pays you to watch videos online is known as Prize Rebel. Okay, so Prize Rebel is an online membership reward site that pays you to watch video ads, answer surveys, try out offers, and refer friends. Till date, this site has paid out over 22 million to its members, and it's been in existence since 2007. And you get paid on Prize Rebel by points, and you can cash out these points for PayPal or gift card. The minimum payout threshold starts at $2 for an Amazon gift card on Prize Rebel, and the sign-up process is also simple. Yeah, so you can also, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description of this video for you to sign up for Prize Rebel. So you don't forget to check out the description of this video to sign up. Yeah, so that's it. So moving on to the next site, it's the next site on our list is InstaGC, also known as Insta Gift Card. So Insta Gift Card is a get paid to site that rewards you with gift cards when you watch videos online, take surveys, search the web, and shop online. Just like its name suggests, you receive gift cards instantly whenever a payout request is submitted. Now, one particular thing about Instant Gift Card is that they have over 330 gift cards, or sorry, 320 plus gift cards that you can choose from. So there's a lot of options for you to choose from depending on what you want. Yeah, and the minimum payout threshold is just $1. So if you're interested in signing up for Insta Gift Card, you'll find a link in the description of this video. And moving on to the next site on our list that pays you to watch videos online, going on to Fusion Cash. Okay, so Fusion Cash is another reward site that pays you to watch ads, play video games, take service, and refer friends and family. And this site has been in existence since 2005 and has paid out over $1.5 million to its members. So they pay by check, by PayPal, and by direct bank transfer. So the minimum payout threshold for Fusion Cash is $25. This simply means that you need to earn up to $25 before you can earn from Fusion, before you can request for payout. And you can also promote Fusion Cash as an affiliate, okay? But one thing about Fusion Cash is that it's only open to people who reside in the United States. So if you're not from the USA, I'm sorry, Fusion Cash isn't for you. Moving on to the next site on our list, I think it's known as the iRazor app. So iRazor pays you for watching videos online. It is one of the most popular rewards program on the web, and members of this site earn points by watching videos on iRazor TV and sharing their opinion on ads and movie trailers. So you also get access to more than 50 channels of video content on iRazor, and you also make money by completing other daily tasks and reading emails. So you get paid on iRazor by through gift cards, and you can also convert your points into cash from PayPal. Yeah, the minimum payout threshold on iRazor, it's 3,000 iRazor points, and this is equivalent to $5. So you need to earn up to $5 before you can request for payout. Okay, so if this is what you like, you can easily sign up, and there's a link in the description of this video for you to sign up for iRazor. And moving on to the next site on our list is Enably. So Enably pays you for watching ads on Hideout TV and Video Fox, and members of Enably can also earn money by taking service and engaging with various offers. So you get paid by PayPal, by gift cards, different types of gift cards like Amazon gift cards, Domino's Pizzas gift card, Best Buy gift cards, Xbox gift card, and wallet code. So the minimum payout for Enably it's $1, and as you can see, you can check out the various offers on Enably. They've got different survey offers and instant reward offers. Okay, so these are the available gift cards that you can use to receive your payout on Enably, and you can also earn by referring people to Enably, and you earn 10% of their earnings for life. So if this is what appeals to you, check the description of this video and you'll see the sign up link. If you sign up on my link, I'm going to give you a bonus. As you can see, Enably has over 1,061 reviews on Trustpilot. This shows that they are reputable reward site. Okay, and last but not the least, there's one more site I need us to check about: Creation Rewards. So Creation Rewards is similar to all these other reward sites that we've viewed today, and you receive a $5 bonus just for signing up, and you get rewarded for watching videos, taking surveys, and reading emails, and you earn free gift card and cash. So let's check out some other things that makes Creation Rewards unique. So you can earn free cards and free cash and gift cards for the things you do online every day, such as taking surveys, watching videos, shopping, and searching the web. And you can redeem your points on Creation Rewards. You convert them to gift cards and to cash. Okay, so and they've been in existence since 2000 and been rewarding their members for 22 years. So ladies and guys, this will come to the end of this awesome video. I've showed you 10 solid sites that you can earn money from just by watching videos online. So if you are a stay-at-home mom or you're a student looking for a source of additional income, you could try out signing up for these sites, perform the task, and get paid and redeem your points to gift cards or PayPal and receive your watch. And you can also earn from some of this site by referring people to join. So guys, if you found value after watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment in the description section, and also share this video on your social media platforms. Remember, Sharing is caring and caring is sharing. All right, guys. So this is the end of this video, and I would have to sign out now. So thanks for watching once again, and I hope you stay tuned to my channel and check out. Be on the lookout for my next video, because in my next video I'll be revealing to you sites that pays you for reading emails online. All right, guys. Don't forget to check the description section of this video, because I got a lot of goodies lined up for you. I've got the full list of all the sites, and you can just sign up directly from my link. Remember, if you sign up from my link, I'm going to give you something extra. All right, guys, I'm signing out now. Bye for now. Stay blessed. See you in the next video.